Here we go.
Yeah, that's the older boy right there, boy. What's your name? What's your name? Yeah, DCB. And this right here, this the only niece I got, okay? So you touch it, you dead, okay? We call her, Lily. All right?
That's Lily.
Now let me go ahead and spill her something about Lily.
What's your name, girl? Olivia. Right. How old are you?
And that's DCB.
How old are you? It's Cody Buck right there. Uncle Cody Buck.
Uncle CB.
So go on, Cody Buck.
Y'all ready for this? Let's go. Okay, this is for the little ones, the ones you know we adore, the ones who just be having us wishing that we had more so we can make sure that they had more and make sure that everything was good and done for. But of course shit don't go the way that we planned it. But shit, the motherfuckers made it on the moon and they landed, but this shit right here, it don't make no sense, but I'm trying to make them dope, make them sense, add up to something so I can get a mansion. Make sure the thing got a trip, a hassle, they self, about nothing. Stop tripping, stop fronting before you get that ass whooped. It ain't nothing to pull my belt off. And I wet it up. Had them eyes crying and drying. I don't give a shit. I ain't never gave a fuck. They say that I'm crazy, but I really don't give a you know what it is where you at. Cause I know where you is, and I know where you at. And I know where your hood is, and I know where your set. And I know what you playing, nigga. I know what you rap. So I suggest you be afraid. Very afraid. Be afraid of the dark, nigga. We don't play. We like Freddy and Jason. Come through, we ain't playing. Go big bunch. You know we blazing up. He told me shut up and whoop his ass. Turn the camera on.
You said shut up.
I think so. I don't know. I think he did.
All right, Jack.